Hi, I'm Jay, and today I'm going to talk about programming the Trion CD90 Dehumidifier. Use this button to turn the dehumidifier on and off. Press once to turn the machine on. You will hear a beep, and the power light will illuminate green. The set points can be any number between 35 and 99. Creating a set point means that when the indoor humidity is lower than the set point, the machine will stop automatically. Right now, the display is stating that the indoor humidity right now is 24%. By pushing the buttons, we can change the set point to anything we want between 35 and 99%. Additionally, if you spin the set point down below 35%, it goes into continuous operation mode, which is indicated by CO. When the indicator light is green, it illustrates the unit is configured for whole house configuration and not standalone mode. While in whole house configuration, the dehumidifier is to be controlled by a separate humidistat. The power indicator light indicates that the unit is properly powered and on. The power indicator only illuminates when the unit is running. When the compressor light glows red, it indicates that the compressor has been initiated to run, but is currently warming up. Once the compressor light switches to green, it indicates the compressor is in working status. When the continuous defrost light illuminates green, it indicates that the dehumidifier is set to continuous operation mode. When the light glows red, it means the unit is in auto defrost mode and clearing the evaporator coil of any ice buildup. Thanks for watching. For additional help or questions, feel free to contact us.